So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you are going to grab a share in the 25 million MNT prize pool. And also I'm going to share you some tips on how to grab a larger share in the prize pool. If you are new to the channel, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Let's get started. You can clearly see that they stated that users will be able to split a 15M MNT reward pool based on a user's eligible Mantle journey miles. So as you guys can see, I actually have over 2,700 MJ miles, and I'm also going to show you guys on how you are going to also get yours. You can even get more than that. You can get up to 10,000 MJ miles. I'm going to leave the registration link in the description of this video. I'll recommend making use of Mrs. Browser to participate in this airdrop. Fortunately, I've already made a video tutorial explaining how to set it up, so I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. Check it out. Once you've set it up, the first thing that you are going to do is head over to chainlist.org. I'm going to leave all the necessary links in the description of this video. So I want you to search for Mantle. The next thing that you are going to do is tap on connect wallet and sign into your wallet. Make sure you have already added your MetaMask extension on Mrs. Browser. Like I said, I've already made the video tutorial. I'll leave it in the description of this video. Tap on add to MetaMask. Once you've added it, head over back to your MetaMask and see whether the Mantle network has successfully reflected. Next thing that you are going to do is to paste the campaign link on your Mrs. Browser. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. Tap on connect wallet and just tap on start now. You'll be required to mint your SBT NFT, which is going to require MNT as the gas fee. You can buy MNT from Bybit Exchange. I'm going to leave the sign up link in the description of this video. So on your Bybit dashboard, search for MNT. The minimum withdrawal of MNT from Bybit Exchange is 10 MNT. Once you've purchased your MNT, tap on withdraw. Copy your Mantle wallet address from your MetaMask. For the withdrawal network, select Mantle network and place your withdrawal. Once you've successfully received your MNT, the next thing that you are going to do is to mint your SBT NFT. You are only going to be charged 0.2 MNT to mint the SBT NFT. As you can see, we have successfully minted our NFT, so I'm going to show you how you are going to complete the necessary task. This is how the dashboard is going to look like, highlighting the MJ miles that you have accumulated. The first task is to mint your SBT NFT, which we have already completed. The second task is to verify our social media account, so connect your Twitter account. The second thing to do is to follow Mantle on Twitter. Once you've completed it, tap on continue. The next thing that you are required to do is to claim your Twitter attestation, so just tap on create. You are going to be charged 0.2 MNT to carry out the transaction. As you guys can see, upon completing the Twitter task, I've gained additional 200 MJ miles. The next thing that you are going to do is to customize your user profile. Add your username and email to get extra MJ miles. Head over back to your dashboard and tap on identity profile. You are going to see some additional tasks that are going to fetch you some extra MJ miles. Once you've completed the Discord task, just claim your Discord attestation. It's gonna cost you 1 MNT to claim it. So unfortunately, if you are a Nigerian, you can't claim your gaming attestation because Steam has banned Nigerians from creating a Steam account, so I'm just going to skip it. However, we can complete the developer attestation. To complete your developer attestation, head over to github.com and just create an account. It's also gonna cost you 1 MNT to claim your developer attestation. By completing all the steps that I just explained, you should have this amount of MJ miles on your dashboard. Fortunately, I'm gonna show you how to get more MJ miles. There are a bunch of ways of actually getting MJ miles, but the easiest one that I found is actually adding liquidity. You actually get 20 MJ miles per liquidity that you provide to the ecosystem. The fortunate thing is that you can add as little as 0.0001 MNT and you are going to be rewarded. So what you're gonna do is head over to fusionx.finance, connect your wallet and sign into your MetaMask. Once you've connected your wallet, you are going to see the MNT that you have in your balance. So this is what you're gonna do. Convert some of the MNT that you have to USDT. I would recommend converting minimum of $1.5 to $2. You don't have to actually copy the exact amount that I'm swapping. You can even add more or add less. It's up to you. Then confirm the swapping. So as you can see, I have swapped some of my MNT to USDT. Kindly know that I can swap the USDT back to MNT anytime that I want. The next thing that you are going to do is to swap some of the MNT that you have to wrapped MNT. So I've shown you guys the necessary things that are needed for you to add liquidity. Tap on liquidity at the top, locate USDT/WMNT, this one in particular. You can add any amount that you want to the liquidity. As you can see, in this case, I'm adding 0.05 wrap MNT. You can even add as little as 0.0001. So just enable your USDT and enable your wrapped MNT. Once you've enabled it, you can then add the liquidity. So just tap on confirm supply. You can repeat this task 100 times and get 20 MJ miles per liquidity you provide. Kindly note that it's gonna take 24 hours for your MJ miles to be updated on your dashboard. So this is now the next day that I made the video tutorial. So if I tap on MJ miles overview, you're gonna see that I've actually been rewarded with some MJ miles. So you can get maximum of 2000 MJ miles and you can get 20 MJ miles per liquidity that you provide. For those of you that are interested in knowing how to actually remove your liquidity, on the liquidity dashboard, tap on my post and you're actually going to see the liquidity that you provided. Then you can just remove it. I have a Telegram group where I post crypto airdrops, so if you're interested, I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. If you like this video, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Subscribe.